Everyone's making laser engravers and heat press machines these days. The market's flooded, but there are entire industries running quietly in the background where almost nobody's competing. And the machines behind them are sitting on Alibaba right now, barely noticed. Today I'm showing you 15 of them. Real machines, real prices, real numbers. Number 1. Automatic Pet Grooming Station. Priced to between $600 and $1,800. This handles nail grinding, fur trimming guides, and coat drying in one compact unit, the kind small pet salons and mobile. Groomers use. You bring the dog or cat. The machine does the fiddly, time-consuming parts safely and consistently. A basic grooming session runs $30 to $80, depending on the city, and a single groomer can handle 6 to 10 pets a day with a setup like this. Small, home-based pet groomers are pulling in $2,000 to $6,000 a month, mostly because pet owners now treat grooming as a recurring need, not a luxury. Number 2. Vertical Hydroponic Tower System. Running $400 to $2,500, depending on size. This stacks dozens of plant sites in a tiny footprint, using nutrient-rich water instead of soil. No more farm, no field, just a spare room or garage. It grows leafy greens, herbs, and strawberries in a fraction of the time soil farming takes, using up to 90% less water. A single tower can produce enough greens to supply 2 or 3 local restaurants weekly. Urban micro-farmers selling directly to restaurants and farmers markets are earning $1,500 to $5,000 a month from setups that fit in a spare bedroom. Number 3. Small batch sauce filling and capping machine. 4. $800 to $2,200. It measures, fills, and caps bottles of hot sauce, salad dressing, or condiments at a consistent volume, around 22-40 bottles a minute. Specialty hot sauce brands sell $8 to $15 bottles that cost under $1 to produce. Small producers supplying farmers markets and local grocery shelves are seeing $2,000 to $8,000 a month, riding the same small batch artisanal premium that's driving specialty food sales everywhere right now. Number 4. Automated habitat misting system for reptile and exotic pet enclosures at $150 to $600. It's a niche most people don't even know exists. But the exotic pet market is enormous and growing. Breeders and pet shops selling these systems bundled with terrarium setups are pulling steady margins because reptile owners spend heavily on husbandry equipment with almost no big box competition. Number 5. Cold processed soap. It's priced $1,200 to $3,500. It shapes and cuts soap dough into uniform bars at volume something handmade soap makers usually do by hand for hours. A bar that costs 40 cents to produce sells for $6 to $12 under a natural or clean beauty label. Small soap brands using equipment like this are moving thousands of bars a month through Etsy, farmers markets, and boutique stores. Number 6. Automatic candle pouring and wicking line. Running $1,000 to $4,000. It centers wicks and pours wax into jars with consistent fill levels, the exact bottleneck that keeps most candle makers small. A jar candle costing $2 to produce sells for $80 to $30 in the current home fragrance boom. Producers who've automated pouring are scaling from a side hustle to thousands of units a month without adding staff. Number 7. Mushroom Substrate Bag Filler for $700 to $2,000. It fills and packs growing substrate into bags at volume, the exact step that limits how many mushroom growers can scale past a hobby. Gourmet mushrooms like lion's mane and oyster sell for $12 to $20 a pound to restaurants, while substrate costs pennies. Small indoor mushroom farms supplying local chefs are earning $2,000 to $7,000 a month from setups that fit in a garage. Number 8. Small-scale pet food and treat priced $2,000 to $6,000. It cooks and shapes kibble or treats from raw ingredients, the kind of equipment behind every boutique dog treat brand you see online. Premium, grain-free treats sell for 4 to 6 times what mass market brands charge, and pet owners have shown they'll pay it. Small batch pet treat brands using this equipment are running $3,000 to $10,000 a month operations, almost entirely online. Number 9. Small batch kombucha and fermented beverage filling line at $1,500 to $4,500. It fills and caps bottles at consistent carbonation levels, which is the hardest part of scaling a fermented drink brand past your kitchen counter. A bottle costing 60 cents to produce sells for $4 to $7 on shelves. Local kombucha brands supplying health food stores and cafes are pulling in $2,500 to $9,000 a month, tapping into the same wellness trend driving cold-pressed oils and specialty foods. Number 10. Compact Pet ID Tag Engraver for $300 to $900. It engraves names and numbers onto metal tags in seconds. A small overlooked corner of the pet accessory market. Each tag costs under 50 cents and sells for $8 to $15, especially bundled with custom colors. Sellers at pet expos and online shops are running this as a low-overhead side business with strong repeat demand every time someone gets a new pet. Number 11. Automatic tea sachet and pouch filling machine, priced $1,000 to $3,000. It measures and seals loose-leaf tea into biodegradable sachets or stand-up pouch. Specialty tea blends sell for $12 to $25 per bag once branded, while the raw tea and packaging cost a fraction of that. Small tea brands supplying cafes and online subscription boxers are earning steady monthly income from repeat wholesale orders. Number 12. Beeswax wrap sealing and cutting machine at $500 to $1,500. It coats and cuts fabric into reusable, plastic-free food. Wraps a small but fast-growing eco-product category. A wrap costing under $1 to produce sells for $8 to $15 as a set. Small eco-brands selling through Etsy and farmers markets are tapping steady demand from households actively trying to cut plastic use. Number 14. Small batch fabric cutting machine for pet accessories for $800 to $2,500. It precision cuts fabric for bandanas, collars, and harnesses at volume without the manual tracing and cutting. Most small pet brands still do by hand. Custom pet bandanas sell for $10 to $20 a set. Small pet fashion brands selling online are running steady 5-figure months once they've automated the cutting step. Number 14. Small batch fabric cutting machine for pet accessories for $800 to $2,500. It precision cuts fabric for bandanas, collars, and harnesses at volume without the manual. Tracing and cutting. Most small pet brands still do by hand. Custom pet bandanas sell for $10 to $20 a set. Small pet fashion brands selling online are running steady 5-figure months once they've automated the cutting step.